I'm Yatri and you're watching TimesXP. And in the latest news, a recent post by the US attorney has ignited a significant debate on social media regarding the leadership of Indian CEOs, specifically in tech industries we are talking about. In the post, the attorney claims that an Indian CEO who was bought into the company after it was purchased by a private equity firm caused a series of negative changes. According to the attorney, the new CEO replaced the company's original founders with people from his own community, which he felt led to the company's cultural shift. The attorney also alleged that the CEO used the COVID-19 pandemic as an excuse to force employees to take a temporary pay cut of 10% and froze all the promotions within the company. Additionally, he claimed that the CEO laid off 15% of the workforce, mostly experienced employees, and shut down one of the company's satellite offices, outsourcing its work to India to cut the costs. The attorney, with this, criticized the CEO for ruining the company culture, increasing employees' workloads, and damaging client satisfaction. Now, these claims are divided in opinions on social media. Some users actually agreed with the attorney's perspective, sharing their own experiences of similar situation in companies that were bought by private equity firm, where the original company culture was actually lost and employees felt overworked after the changes. Whereas there is another side too. Others accused the attorney of racism, suggesting that he unfairly blamed the Indian CEO for the company's issue without fully understanding the broader context. Supporters of Indian leadership pointed out that many Indians rise through difficult circumstances, particularly India, where education and hard work are highly valued, and that this drive for success is something that many Indian immigrants bring with them to the US. In fact, some social media users also praised the question about whether Indians, as a result of their challenging upbringing, develop a strong work ethics that drives them to success in international environment. One person even suggested that if the US would attract the level of talent seen in Indian tech industry, American schools and companies could experience a significant boost. Another one commented and he shared a personal story that mirrored the attorney's claim. They described how their sister's company went downhill after being sold to a larger firm. Her overload increased drastically and the company cut down the number of teams, leaving her with almost all the responsibility. She too was considering leaving the company due to the negative changes. Now, this incident highlights the ongoing trend of Indian CEOs taking the leadership role in the US companies, specifically in the tech sector we are talking about. However, it also raises the important question about the effort of leadership changes, particularly when cost-cutting measures like outsourcing are involved. While Indian CEOs may have good intentions of improving the companies that they are leading, such action like job cut or shifting work to India are often seen as harmful by employees who feel overwhelmed or undervalued. Ultimately, this controversy shows that while leadership style is actually important, the way companies treat their employees and how their culture evolves under the new management are also crucial factors for the success. The debate surrounding this post is not only about Indian CEOs, but also broader issues in the corporate world, such as effects of outsourcing, the importance of company culture, and the treatment of employees under new leadership. Now, what is your take in this? Do let us know in the comment section below and follow TimesXP for more such updates.